What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video. Today's video I've been waiting to bring to you for a good solid 8 weeks. As many of you know, I placed an order for a set of rims and they, oh boy, did they take a while to get here. I'm excited about it and I think you guys are gonna like them as well. So what we're gonna do in this video, simple video, I'm just gonna unbox them live for you guys because we're all family here. We're gonna look at them at the same time for the first time. So what we're gonna be doing in today's video is just unboxing what's in the box. I'm gonna show you what wheel came. Obviously it's a small box, so you can kind of guess what wheel came. But we're gonna show you what's in the box. I'm gonna give you a couple glamour shots of this item because we've been waiting for it. And then I'll do subsequent videos where I'll show you them getting mounted if I can film it or if I do it. I haven't decided yet. I'll show you what they look like on the car. I'll give you my opinions of them. Obviously, I'm ecstatic. I think this is gonna be great for the car. These are gonna be my new daily driver setup, believe it or not. So let's just jump into this without making you wait any freaking longer. As far as the opening process goes, there's really no better way to do it than to just prick a little hole, do a little prick there, right? Gentle. We don't want to go deep, right? We just want to, that's it. That's all we need. So we're going to take this sharp object, we're going to put that bad boy over there. Ooh, we're going to go for it. I'm so freaking excited right now. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know what anything looks like. We're doing this real time, me and you and me. Oh my good God. So we immediately remove this and see this. In case anybody was wondering what's in the box. Oh, this should give you an idea. Oh my God. This just stinks of quality right now. This is, oh my God. Gentle. Gentle. Very gentle. Okay. Oh my Lord. I got a new decal too. Oh, that's more horsepower. We'll put that aside. So we've got a Weld Racing warranty and return policy. Wow. Wow. This is some stuff, man. As I said, I ordered these wheels 8 weeks ago, so this is serious. This is serious for me. Wheel care for polished and uncoated wheels. There's a bunch of things here, so I'm gonna, obviously I'm gonna read over these things because, why not? You never want to walk through life thinking that you know everything because you'll get proved to be wrong at some point. So we're just gonna lift that off. Holy cow. Oh my good God. I'm gonna have to put this camera down for a second to pull this out and then we're gonna jump right back in. Wowza. Here we go. I don't want you guys to miss anything. This is as much for you as it is for me. Oh my Lord. Yo, I can't right now. This is beauty. Beautiful. Weld forged 15-inch. You can just kind of sort of imagine how good this is going to look. I'm going to tell you the exact specifications here. These specific wheels are 15 by 10.33. They're the S77 beadlocks. They're the 5 by 115 bolt pattern, and it says conical lug. There's a big debate about that. We're going to talk about that in another video, about what lugs to use, what they recommend on their site, and why it's different for a Hellcat owner. These have a 22mm offset. My God, everybody. These look freaking awesome, but it gets better. You have got to be kidding me right now. These are just incredible, everybody. I just want to let you know how freaking excited I am. These are just crazy. I mean, obviously, I know I'm not going to be the first one with them. I'm certainly not going to be the last one. But I think they're just more special for me because I had to wait for them. I did make a bunch of posts looking for these wheels. I had 2 people that were going to sell me them, and they backed out. They screwed me over. So I finally got so disgusted. I paid full price and had to wait. I lost my mind. Now, I dealt with Carlyle Racing. I do recommend them. They made everything very easy. I contacted them. They took my order pretty much right over the phone. They sent me an invoice on PayPal for the wheels. I paid the invoice, and boom, here we go. A shy tad bit over 8 weeks later, they're here. Now, they were at one point running a 4 to 6 week, I believe, or something like that delay, but then it got extended a week or two. You know, there's a demand for these. What are you gonna do? So, totally worth the wait. I'm extremely happy, and I'm gonna unbox the other wheel, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So here they are. This is the beauties right here, and this is gonna be exciting. All right, so the last little pieces that came in each box were one little box and one little bag. Inside the first little box was the air valve stem. So this is what that looks like, and obviously our center caps. These are our Weld Racing center caps. What else came? We got a bag, a beautiful bag, of the beadlock bolts. Now, I have to find out what that bolt, that's like, looks like a specific head of a bolt, so I need to find out what that is. But for right now, that's what came in, and obviously there was a second one, 2 wheels, but flippin' awesome. But that's about it. I mean, this is what everything looks like, right? And this is what they're gonna get mounted onto, in case anybody hadn't realized or saw. These are my Mickey Thompson. These are the ET Street R 295/65 15s. Like I said, these are 15 by 10.33, and funny enough, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is pretty awesome. I'm very excited, but this video is gonna be cut short because, well, there's not a whole lot extra to do here. I'm gonna be putting these aside for a minute. Car's gonna get fixed, and then I can truly address how awesome this is. But until then, I just want to say thank you all for the support. If you're not a subscriber, again, as always, please consider subscribing, because this car is just going to take on new transformations, looks-wise, power-wise. You know, we got a lot of things coming for her, and it's going to be fun. We get to take these off. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for the support, and I can't wait to just see how far we all grow together. This channel means a lot. It's going to be awesome. And if you guys have any cool little comments to leave below, go ahead, leave them below. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.